Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing the differential oil change in my truck. Obviously going to need the differential oil. This pickup has a limited slip differential, so ensure that you get the differential oil with the limited slip if you have limited slip. My truck calls for an 80 weight 90. That's what I've got. I also have a gasket maker. Reason for that is the plugs are self-sealing plugs, so when I take them off, obviously I'm going to break the seal. Put a little bit of this around the threads to seal it back up. Going to need a torque wrench. This is a beam style, click style will work. I just do not have a click style in the 1/2 inch yet. Need a breaker bar, also in the 1/2 inch style. And the reason both of these are in 1/2 inch is because that will fit right into those bolts, allow for easy removal. Going to need the oil drain pan. You don't want your oil going all over the place. What else? Optionals, shop rags and gloves, and brake cleaner. I like to clean around the areas I'm working, so I try and get try not to get any dirt or grime or crud inside there. So that's what I like to do. You don't have to do it that way. To each his own. So without any further ado, let's get under the truck and take a look. Hey everyone, so welcome underneath the truck. Here's the differential. You see I had a tag that said use LSD only, which is limited slip differential. First things first, what you want to do before you start working on anything else is make sure that you can loosen up the fill plug. Because if you cannot, you drain it out, you're going to be up a creek. What we're going to do is first check that, and then we're going to start cleaning. Got my breaker bar attached into the fill plug hole. Let's see. Alright, so this one will move. I don't want to move it anymore until I've had a chance to clean up everything. Get that out of the way. You see, I'm just putting the 1/2 inch socket straight in, or head, I'm sorry, and there we go. Okay. Goes. You see some good chunks of metal there, shavings. Doesn't look to be anything terribly worrisome though. Oil is still clear, so that's good. What I'm gonna do is just clean this up a little bit. You can see where this gasket was, kind of on this larger side ring. All I'm going to do is try and get that out. Fill plug is out. Again, it has the gasket, so we want to be mindful of cleaning it all up so that we can put a new gasket in there. Alright, a little tight. So what we're looking for is 43 to 72 foot-pounds of torque. Right there is good. Alright, to fill this up, you want to fill it till you get just right inside there where it comes down just a little bit. That's a full differential. What I probably should have done is took the spare tire out and get down in there a little bit better. There we go. Get in there. But I had that towel under. Alright, which one of you did that? That was disgusting. I think it was you there in the red shirt. And my mouth open and everything. Oh, come on. Oh, that was a good one. Ma'am. Light blue shirt. Cut that out. Well, it looks like I might be just short. So I had two. I've probably wasted a bit. And I'm going to need to get one more. And we're going to do the same process with the fill plug. Let's go ahead and get it cleaned up. This is the same torque specs as the drain plug. So 45 to 72 foot-pounds. Alright everyone, so that job's wrapped up. It was done. It's easy. Easier than changing oil because everything's right there. One thing I would recommend doing differently next time, for myself anyway, is make sure I had 3 quarts of differential oil. But other than that, I'd probably lower the spare tire down. Lowering that spare tire would make things so much easier. But first time doing it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and beneficial. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our channel.